Hi guys, Shawn here with Martin Motor Sports Kelowna. Today we're going to walk through this South Bay S222 RS, show you the features and benefits, some of the highlights of the construction and performance from our 115 horsepower Mercury outboard. Come along with me, we'll walk through this boat. Some of the things we want to point out with the construction of the South Bay. Want to point out these nose cones. This is a 52-inch nose cone, which is higher than the industry average. Provides a longer running surface, a little bit better fuel economy, a little bit better running on the pontoon itself. These welded splash fins that we put on the outside here, just really nice quality of construction. The big thing with the South Bay product, all Forest River Marine, is the one-piece composite decking. Want to see that from underneath here? So with the one-piece composite deck, it's lighter, it's stronger than traditional marine-grade plywood that every other manufacturer uses. There's no seams in this product, so there's no place where your flooring is going to get a little bit of a dip over time. There's going to be no water retention, and again, it's lighter and stronger than anything else out there, so you're basically going to maximize the horsepower you have on the back of the boat. Along the side here, we've got along these welds are full baffles inside the pontoon. One thing I want to point out here at the back of the boat here as well is what is called triple box construction. So you can see it here at the back of the boat. That's where the horsepower is. That's where the torsion, the flex is on the back of the boat. This triple box construction is basically adding strength. So picture in your house where your floor joists run in your basement, where there's a load-bearing wall, you don't have one joist there, you've usually got three that are stacked side by side. South Bay has essentially done the exact same thing with this triple box going all the way through, adding strength and stability. And then we've got C-channel that is on 16-inch centers through the rest of the hull, and of course bolted with a locking nut underneath. Really well put together, nicely built boat from Forest River. Here we are in the interior of this South Bay S series, the 222 RS. RS is the radius seating floor plan. So we've got our co-captain's chairs, wraparound seat front and back. Have a look at the flooring. This vinyl floor we've put into this guy. This is the standard floor. Really nice look to it. Ties into the nice gray tones of the interior. And the upholstery, really nice upholstery as well. Standard upholstery, just a nice luxurious kind of look and feel to it. Again, with that composite flooring, we've got no seams all throughout the boat. There's going to be no seam underneath, so it makes this vinyl floor stay really nice and high-end looking for years to come. Come with me over to the dash here. So at the helm, this is our standard helm in the South Bay. We've got a head unit here for the stereo system. It is Bluetooth. Nice option here. It's not an option, actually standard with the boat is the wireless charging, which is really cool to see. Nice gauge cluster, obviously RPM, speed, fuel, and trim, everything you need to see at any time. 12-volt power and audio input, tilt steering, and really accessible throttle control here as well, with your resettable fuses, all accessible. Just a really nice layout of the helm itself. We'll take a look back here. Obviously got our standard table, nice sized table here at the back as you're entertaining, hanging out of the boat. And of course the Mercury Power, 115 horsepower on this 4-stroke motor, very smooth and quiet. It's running right now. You probably can't even tell that, but come back here and just have a look at how the back of the boat is set up. We've got our stainless steel tow bar as well, mounted right into the substructure. Really, really well put together. Also wanted to comment on the standard 10-foot Bimini. We've got it stowed right now, but in its open position, you're going to get coverage basically right up here to the front of the helm. So those who kind of want the shade can have it right here in the middle of the boat. Who want the sun, those folks who want the sun can sit out at the bow and enjoy that. One thing I'll show you here is storage under every seat in the boat here. All rotocast plastic, so no carpet, no wood again in the entirety of the boat. We've got a water management system. Basically, it's a drain track at the back that's going to take any water that spills down on the seats. It's just going to drain down those holes and then out the side. This is a nice added touch as well. So this is the back of your speaker, but it's covered here with a metal kind of safety piece there that's not going to, any of your storage is going to catch the back of the speaker, pull out wires and kind of mess with the audio system. So that's a nice touch done by South Bay. So that's our walkthrough of the South Bay S222 RS. If you have a question about this particular model, contact your local store. We have stores in Calgary, Edmonton, Saskatoon, and Kelowna. or any of our pontoon models, feel free to reach out, call anytime, or visit us online at martinmotorsports.ca. So let's take this boat for a drive.